Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. I am so happy. Guess what came today? Guess what? My Bath and BodyWorks order. So this is that princess collection, y'all. I am so excited. All right, Baka's crying, so let me get him out the cage. Okay, y'all, I am back. Sorry, I am back. All right, so Bath and BodyWorks had like a Disney collection of the Disney princess. They had the body mist lotions, the mini hand sanitizers, and they even had candles. And what was so excellent about that special that they had was the candles was buy one get one free, so you can get 2 candles for $26 and some change. Sorry. And that's it. So about $13. Some change per candle. Now this doesn't beat that candle special that they had when those candles was like $10, and it was crazy. When I tell you, it was crazy then. If you got candles then, you know what I'm talking about. Now it wasn't that bad with this. You were able to order the candles online, and look, it's so cute. They have it in a little mini box, and I think I ordered the candles before, and it didn't come in a box like this. And it has the princess names. We have Jasmine. This is okay. So Jasmine, Tiana, Cinderella, and Moana. All right, so I wonder how can I open it without like messing up the box. And on here, hold on. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, y'all. Alright, I'm coming back. So, I know you bought candles before. They didn't have like warnings and stuff on there. Now, I guess because people, they doing crazy things, there's warnings. They give you the paper, and it's warnings on the box. It tell you how to prevent fire and serious injury. Who should we open first? I guess we open Tiana first, right? Let's see. Let's see. We'll slide her out. And there she goes. She smells wonderful. She smells wonderful, y'all. Sweet, like a sweet person. The world you want is almost there. You just have to create it. Believe it. Create it and believe it, y'all. This smells so good. I'm gonna slide her. I don't know why my phone is talking. We're gonna slide her back in here. Like, where are those? I'm missing one. What did I do with that camera? I know I'm not doing this. Hold on a second, y'all. Sorry, y'all. I had the candle in my hand and I went over to check on him and I just forgot where I put the candle. Oh my God. All right. This other candle is Moana. All right, so we're just gonna open it the same way. She smells good. You can smell it through the little cracks in the box. Smells good. Y'all, if you if you follow me, you know I have a whole lot of candles. And I don't even burn them. What, is that a hoarder? Is that just someone who just buy things? Y'all, when I tell you after that depressing injury at work, just, oh my gosh, it just, I be depressed sometimes and I just be buying things. But at least I can say I buy it when it's on sale. At least I know that it's on sale when I buy it. Like these candles, it was a good deal. And then it's not like it's gonna be always there. You know, it's a Disney, it's a princess collection. You gotta at least have a candle or two. Moana, oh my gosh. She smells good too. Let's see what she says. Go against the current and make waves. They have wonderful motivation quotes on the candles. And that's wonderful. I'm gonna slide her back in here. I'm glad that they put these in their individual boxes. Before they just had like the little tray that they had them in. Who's next? Who is next? Y'all wanna know who is your favorite Disney princess? Who's next? Cinderella is next. Cinderella. Let's see how you smell, Cinderella. Hold on. My nose could be playing tricks on me. Oh my gosh. Want to smell? Let's open her up. From this side, of course. Don't want to open it too wide because I am keeping this box. Come on now, Cinderella. Oh my gosh. Cinderella dressed in yellow. Oh my gosh. Was she dressed in yellow? Okay. Cinderella. When I tell you, hey, stop it. Okay, you know what? Here we go again. Here we go. Okay, we do this all the time. No, we do this all the time. You always just mess with me while I'm doing my video. Tell me why. Tell me why I just can't do my video in peace. right, y'all. All right. Now back to what we was talking about. We was talking about Cinderella. All right, Cinderella. Oh my gosh. Hey, let's see what Cinderella is telling us. What did she say? Magical things can happen if you believe in yourself. Wonderful, like I said, wonderful quotes from these princes. Oh, Cinderella. Now I hate that the candles are just breaking like that. But I know what to do. Look at that. I just called the customer support. But Cinderella smells really good. Cinderella, and last, Jasmine. Let's see what Jasmine's talking about. I remember elementary school, we used to watch Aladdin. Oh my gosh, and when I tell you, I think I was in course. I didn't really like it because I didn't know them songs and I didn't like to sing. Oh, when they played the song from Aladdin, oh my gosh, all them little kids was just happy, happy, happy. Jasmine. Now, who do not like Aladdin? I love Aladdin. I remember, didn't it used to have like the cartoon series? Man, that was back in the day. I hate that they, just stopped having a little series of, Disney cartoons. Every scent has its own world per se, and it doesn't smell too bad. Now, is it worth the price? So far, yes, and then I wouldn't really know because I don't even think I want to burn the candles. I just want to keep them. All right, y'all, look, if you bought your Disney collection candles, leave a comment down below. Let me know, did you get all 6? Did you get 4? Did you burn the candles? And if you did, how did it smell? Did it take you to the palace? Okay, did it take you to the ocean? Did it take you to Egypt? Did it just take you there where the princess are? Oh my gosh. Yes. All right. Okay, y'all. So thank you for joining me on this unboxing of this Disney Princess Bath and BodyWorks candles. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you was able to get you a candle or 2 or 3 or maybe just all of them, all 6 of them. All right, y'all. Till next time, I will see you later. Y'all stay safe and warm because this temperature is cold. All right, y'all. So till next time, I will see you later.